Today we will be discussing testing of bricks. Bricks ईंटें जिसको कहते हैं is the most vital element in our construction. तो उसके लिए टेस्टिंग के लिए जो सबसे पहले टेस्टिंग होती है वो होती है हार्डनेस टेस्ट. ब्रिक्स की हार्डनेस देखी जाती है कि हार्डनेस कितनी है ब्रिक्स में. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, ब्रिक्स को लेंगे, उसमें शार्प टूल से इसको स्क्रैच करेंगे या फिंगर नेल से स्क्रैच करेंगे. अगर तो इस पे निशान पड़ता है ब्रिक्स पे, देन इट इज रिजेक्टेड, अदरवाइज इट इज सिलेक्टेड. निशान नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, दैट इज द, उसको बोलते हैं हार्डनेस टेस्ट. नेक्स्ट टेस्ट इज साउंडनेस टेस्ट. साउंडनेस टेस्ट ऑफ ब्रिक्स. साउंडनेस टेस्ट ऑफ ब्रिक्स. फॉर दैट व्हाट वी डू, we take two bricks and we strike it like this. If there is a ringing sound, you can see the sound. If there is a ringing sound, bricks are okay. If there is a dull sound, bricks are not okay. They are rejected. This is the second test for bricks which we have to use in our construction. Then third is dimensional test. We do dimensional test. Dimensional test of the bricks. इसमें क्या करते हैं, हम 20 ब्रिक्स को स्ट्रेट लाइन में लगाते हैं, ऐसे 1 2 3 4 20 ब्रिक्स को स्ट्रेट लाइन में लगाते हैं. We check the length, width and height of the bricks. If it is within the permissible limits of the standard dimension of the bricks, then bricks are okay. We can use those bricks. Understand? These are the three tests we did: hardness, soundness, dimensional test. Next test is our water absorption test. This is the main test which we have to perform. Water absorption test. In this test, what we do, we take a dry brick like this and weigh it. Take weight of this dry brick. Suppose this is W1 and weight of the dry brick is 3 kgs. Then we immerse this brick in water for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, we wipe the brick and weigh it again. Suppose that is W2 and it will be 3.5 kgs. So W2 minus W1, 3.5 minus 3 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 divided by 3 into 100 will be percentage. That percentage will be approximately around 16%. So brick absorption test, the tolerance is less than 20%. If bricks are having water absorption less than 20%, bricks are okay, they are approved. If it is more than 20%, then the bricks are not approved. If you see, if the weight comes around 4 kg, if tolerance will be more than 20%, the bricks are rejected. Okay, this was the 4 tests we conducted. Then we will go for crushing strength test. Crushing strength of bricks. Crushing strength of bricks. What we do, we take a brick. This is frog. This is known as frog. This hole is known as frog. We fill this frog with 1:1 water, cement water. One sand and one cement. Fill it, and then we take it to the crushing strength machine, compressor testing machine, and we apply the load, and we see when it fails, that failure load is seen. Failure load divided by surface area of the brick will be the compressive strength. When this brick fails in that compressive testing machine, that failure load divided by surface area will be the compressive testing, will be the compressive strength of the brick, crushing strength. Normally subclass B bricks have, subclass B bricks have 75 kgs per square centimeter crushing strength, and subclass A has 100 kgs per square centimeter crushing strength. Understood? Then last test is efflorescence. We do we place brick in a shallow dish with distilled water, and water is allowed to evaporate. After that, we examine the brick, and if we see white salt deposits on the bricks, and if it is there is no white salt deposit, bricks are okay. If there is a bit of white salt, then also it's okay. But if it is moderate or severe white salts are found in the brick, then this brick is rejected. So these are the tests which we have to do while testing the bricks. Then only bricks should be used, because bricks are most important material in our building construction. If bricks are not okay, our construction will be weak. There will be no durability, there will be no strength of the building. That's all I want to say. I hope you all understood. Jai Hind.